Hey you, yes you, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi there, I'm Taylor and nice to meet you. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe, that subscribe button down this videos because we need to grow this family up. As you can see in the title, yes, we are unboxing an item today and she's there, a little ASMR moment. Okay, let's open it. So before I will open the shoes inside the box, I'm gonna tell a story. I've been looking for like a brown shoes or beige shoes for the longest time, and I'm really picky when it comes to like fashion stuff. So I've been like looking and searching like each shoe store, and I wanted to have the Converse high cut in beige or brown, or the Nike Dunks in beige or brown, low cut or high cut. But New Balance is a trend for this season, and fall, of course, is fast approaching. So hinahanap ko talaga. I did a poll last time on Instagram. So it was half and half, but may humahabol. So this is the winner. And I need a brown shoe so bad because I just need something, a different color for my collection, because I already have a lilac Converse, a white Puma sneaker, and also you can follow me on my social media accounts. It will be linked down below, or it will be posted after this video. So as already said, I'm gonna rate this from 1 to 5 star and how confident it is. So stay tuned for a review. Do not skip any second, any minute, because that video will not be counted. I am working so hard for this content, so stay tuned for that. And also guys, I am manifesting, and please manifest with me that we will reach 1K subscribers soon. But at the moment, help me and manifest. Let's reach the 300 subscribers. You are like, where are you, girl? You're in a different location. I'm still in the house, but it's just like a different location. So, fun story. Okay, fun fact: before, when I was still like grade 5 or grade 6, I got my pair of New Balance. It is like the white version right now, like this, but it is like in the pink side. Me and my brothers were twinning that. So first, the packaging, I'm gonna rate it 8 out of 10 because it's just a little scratchy here, but it's fine. Now let's see, I'm on a size 7.5 USA, or 5 1/2 in UK, or 38 in Euro. Okay, so classic traditions, and you know the name for this specific item is, it's so cool. It was supposed to be here. It has a name online. Maybe I'll just insert it here, but maybe if I'm not mistaken, it's dark coffee and mushroom. Like it's like a snack or a meal. Let's see if this looks like a snack. Okay, so we have a paper here, some little paper. Maybe there's a name here. Oh, this is the WL996v2 if you want to search it, or I can put the link in the description box. Another paper. So the packaging, ooh, it's like a vintage brown. You love it, vintage. If you don't know about me, I am so in love with vintage. I'm an all classic human being. Love some packaging. There's a little tag here. So The packaging is 10 out. No, why did I say? I was supposed to say 5 stars, but whatever. So let's just go 10 out of 10 stars. It has like this thing which your feet can breathe. I so freaking love this freaking logo. I can't wait to style this whenever we're going somewhere because I'm not planning to go somewhere at the moment. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking adorable. It is so vintage vibes and I just can't. Like finally, after how many times of searching for a brown shoes, I finally have one in my arms. But a vintage version. So let's see if it can fit
with me. Fit with what? If it will fit on my shoe. Fit. Oh my gosh, I can talk English right now.
It's like better with socks. Because usually in shoes, I'm either 7.5 or 8. Good luck to me if it will fit. So I'll be right back. So I am back and here she fits a little, there's a little inch here, half inch space, and this is what it looks like on my feet. Anyways, I will try to walk how comfy it is or whatever. So let's go to another location. So on this area, you're just watching me walking. So stay tuned, wait. And also I'll be doing a TikTok and Instagram reels about the shoes with some outfits. So follow me on my accounts. Let's be friends. It's New Balance. You can collab with your girl here. There you go. It's not slippery. Oh, that's cool. So for the confidence, it's, let's say, 9.5 out of 10. And for the, it's not slippery, is it? No, it's not slippery yet. I will see you. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a Poshmark haul, so subscribe on the notification bell and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, I forgot. Remember that you're beautiful in your own way because you are unique. And have a good day.